Right, so what is up guys, SDPZ here, and today we've got a very exciting video for myself. I am very excited to film this and obviously to do this. As you will know, if you are a returning subscriber, and if you're not a returning subscriber, make sure that you do subscribe so you do know about these things in the future. I have had some problems with my PC recently. I've got a lot of dust on my hat as well. I have a lot of problems with my PC recently. It can't keep up with what I do. It can't keep up with me making videos every day, and it's just making videos very difficult. Now, I did ask you guys the other day, what do you reckon and suggest? And I had a lot of comments telling me that I just need to get a new PC, just bite the bullet, spend the cash, and do it. So today we're gonna build my dream PC on PC Specialists, and I'm gonna order it, and it's gonna be here in about a month's time. So let's build it. Like this is gonna be so exciting. Let's build a custom gaming PC. Right, so here we are on PC Specialist. We're gonna configure a custom PC. Now the big debate is, do you go Intel or AMD? Now, budget wise, and I actually prefer, we're gonna go with AMD. I feel like they just make better parts in terms of processors for me, and we're gonna go in the Ryzen Extreme computers, the 430 to £4,000 range. Right, let's build ourselves a custom PC. First off, we're going to start with a case. Of course, we want some RGB. We've got plenty of options here. We've got this one, but I don't really like the side panel on that one. I mean, that one's quite cool. We could maybe go with that. Or this. No, this is the case. Right, we're going to be going with the Cooler Master Box MB 530p RGB gaming case. We want plenty of RGB. I know it's sad and a lot of people don't like RGB, but I love RGB, and this looks sick. We've got sort of fat ventilated front system, RGB fans, the full glass side panel, which looks sick. We had to see all the components in the PC. Yeah, this looks absolutely sick. This looks like the case for me. We're going to be going for this one. It is £94. Let's do a little select on that one. Then, processor. Now, which one do we go for? Do we go for the Ryzen 5 3600T, or do we go for the Ryzen 7? Now, this is a tough decision. The Ryzen 7 for me, I think is going to be better for streaming. The Ryzen 5 will be better for gaming, but I am going to be gaming on this PC, but in terms of streaming and recording videos, which is what that will help, that is what's going to definitely do the thing for me. So we're already up to £712. It's kind of mad. On the motherboard, we're going to be going with the Asus ROG Strix B450F Gaming RGB ready motherboard, which is this one here. So it's got RGB built into it, as you can see, which I do like. It's got all the ports that I need. I believe it has, does it have USB 3.0? I hope it does, because I need one. USB ports, 1 times USB 3.1, 1 times, so USB 3, yeah, right, USB 3 are on there. And I do need that for something I've bought for when this PC turns up. So that is perfect. This is the motherboard we're going to be going with. It's got RGB built in. It looks pretty sick. It's an Asus gaming specific built one, so it's going to be good. But yeah, this looks very cool. I'm very excited for this one. Yeah, this looks good. That's the motherboard we're going with, and we're up to £727. Now, in terms of RAM, once again, we're going to be going RGB because I love it. We're going to be going with the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 3200 megahertz per second. 2 times 8GB strip, so 16GB in total, and that, of course, is going to be looking like this. The Vengeance RGB Pro, this is what it's going to be looking like. So we have plenty of RGB in this case. That is one of my main things, and we're going to have sick amounts of RAM as well. In my current PC, I only have 8GB of RAM, so 16 is going to be a massive upgrade, make everything just quicker and better. And the graphics card, now this one was one I struggled between. We were going to go for this 6GB here, where it's 6GB 1660 Ti is what I was thinking about going for, because it was a bit more budget friendly, and it's an interesting card. However, in the end, we've gone, do you know, I sort of sat here and I was like, do you know what, let's do it. Let's go for the 2060, the RTX 2060. This is going to be sick. So if we can, at some point, we're going to be doing VR gaming, which was something we'll be able to do with this graphics card. So as you can see, this PC is already absolutely cracked. It's £1,091 already. The first storage drive, we're going to be going with a 1TB Seagate Barracuda, and we're going to be also having a secondary drive, which is going to be a 256GB SSD, which is going to store our Windows 10 and operating systems, so that basically by having that on the SSD, it means the computer will be faster and we'll have more space on the computer, which is perfect, exactly what I need. We can ignore the rest of this. The Power supply, we're going to be going with the Corsair 450 CV series power supply because it's the only one I need. I don't need any more, but I do need this one. I did originally go for the 350 and it told me I would need more than that, which is understandable. I'm going to be going for the Arctic's Extreme Thermal Paste because we want better thermal paste. We want this PC to be nice and cool. We're going to be very using it a lot. I'm going to be going with the 2x RGB LED strips in the case because why not? We want more RGBs. RGB everything is what we're going for. In terms of processor cooling, we're going to be going with this one here, the PCS FrostFlow, the RGB, the 240 liquid cooling system. Now, I personally have liquid cooling in my current PC, and it is fantastic. So we're going to go in with the 240 radiator liquid cooling PC because this is going to be very, very sick. I'm very excited about this. The onboard sound card will be fine. The wireless card, I believe we've gone with the first one, this one here, just so a wireless card built in. I currently have a USB dongle basically that gives me wireless to my computer, so I do struggle to get a LAN port, LAN cable, sorry, up to my room. It's not really possible in the house that we live in, so it's a bit impossible. So we're going to be going with the Wi-Fi card built in, which will also free me up a USB port as well, which is perfect. We do have a lot of USB things to plug in. Windows 10, of course, and we're going to be going with Firefox as my default browser. That's what I use. It's just what I prefer. It's best for me. And what else? That's it. That's pretty much everything we'll be going for. I think that is going to be PC finished. So it's going to be coming in at £1,225. Install. Yeah, like I say, we're going to be installing the OS on the SSD to make things faster. So that's not the case we have selected, actually. That's not even the case I wanted. Don't want that case. I want this case, the £93 case. There we go. £1,224. Proceed. So here we have it. Here is what the case is going to look like. The case is going to look sick. And like I say, we're going to have the AMD Ryzen 7 processor, the 16GB of RAM, the 2060 graphics card, which is going to be mental. So basically, the PC is just going to be an absolute beast. It's going to look a bit like this with RGB absolutely everywhere and amazing, amazing parts. I am very excited for this. I've already placed this order. I just want to build it here with you guys. I've already ordered it. It's going to be here in about a month's time. So we've got a 16 to 18 working days standard build time. And then, of course, they've got to deliver it as well. So, yeah, about a month's time, we're going to have an absolute madness of a PC in this. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it's all going to go well. Because this YouTube thing is, I'm committing to it with the big boy buys with these PCs. So, hopefully, we're going to be all good. So that was a really fun video for me. I have built my custom gaming PC, which is going to be here in about a month. So let me know if you guys are as hyped for that as possible. We are definitely going to be streaming absolutely loads because this PC will allow me to do it. Stream plenty of Warzone. Me and the boys actually got a 33 kill dub earlier, which was sick. Wish I had it recorded, but I just didn't, which is sad. But it was well cool. We'll be streaming a lot more Call of Duty Warzone. We're going to be streaming, of course, the new Call of Duty when that comes out. Probably Fall Guys when I get this new PC and I can download Fall Guys on that. It's just going to be sick. We're going to have so much content thrown out there. Loads of recordings, loads of streaming. It's all going to be fantastic. I'm excited for this. And drop a like on this video if you're excited too. Let's hit 10 likes. Show me how excited you are for this new PC and the fantastic content that is coming soon. Thank you very much for watching. And thank you very much for your support to get me to a point where I feel like I'm confident enough to buy this PC and it won't be a waste. Because your support is just amazing and it just makes me want to commit to YouTube and do so much more with this. So hopefully we can. Hopefully this all works out well. Thank you for your support. Drop a like on the video if you have enjoyed. Subscribe if this is your first time around here and hit that notification bell. We upload every single day at 6 PM. We're so close to 365 days now. It is getting closer by the day. Thank you very much for watching.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever when I can't hold